Now class 9th exercise number 2.2 fourth question. Find the zero of the polynomial in the following cases. The cases are given first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. So first we will have to understand what is zero of the polynomial. In definition, zero of the polynomial is the value of x at which f of x becomes zero. That is, f of x is equal to polynomial means, in simple word we can say that find the value of x. Here f of x is equal to 0 I have taken. What is f of x value? X plus 2. X plus 2 I have taken here is equal to as it is, 0 as it is. Now what I told you, we have to find out the value of x, or we have to find out the value of the variable. What is the variable? Variable is x. So to find out this value, x is equal to, if I put this 2 outside, 2 plus 2 go outside, what it will become? Minus 2. So I got x is equal to minus 2. So therefore, what is the value of the 0 of the polynomial? Therefore x is equal to minus 2 is the 0 of the. We are doing the verification that whether this answer is right or not. To solve this, what is the value? F of x is equal to x plus 2 is given. Case what is the case? X plus 2. Now we find the x value as 2. What we have find x value as minus 2. We have to put it here. F of minus 2 is equal to x value is what? Minus 2 plus 2. Here minus 2 plus 2 becomes 0. So we are getting what? F of minus 2 is equal to 0. That means it is the 0 of the polynomial. So in earlier problem, what we did, if we are getting 0, then that is the 0 of the polynomial. If we are not getting 0, then that will be not the 0 of the polynomial. What is the second case here? F of x is equal to x minus 2. Same thing we have to find the 0 of the polynomial. Means this question is same for all the 7 cases of polynomial. We have to suppose or assume as, or take it as, f of x is equal to 0. We have to take as f of x is equal to 0. That means if once we take this value, then only we can find the value of x or 0 of the polynomial. Means to find the value of x, that means it is the if we find this value, that means we are finding the 0 of the polynomial. Okay, so here f of x value is what? X minus 2 is given. What is given in the question? X minus 2 is equal to, as it is, 0 as it is. Read out here. Now we have to find the value of x. What I do? We have to find the value of x. X is equal to minus 2 go outside, it becomes, so therefore x is equal to 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. Verification. If we do verification, so what is the value? F of x is equal to x minus 2. Now what we got? X is equal to 2. We got, okay, x is equal to 2. We have to put this value, x is equal to 2 is equal to x, in place of x, 2 minus 2, which is equal to 0. So we are getting 0. That means this 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. What is it given? Same, find the 0 of the polynomial. For 0 of the polynomial, we have to take it as f of x is equal to 0. Okay. Now f of x value is what? 2x plus 3. What is given? 2x plus 3 is given, is equal to, as it is, 0 as it is. What is the f of x value? 2x plus 3. So I have copied this 2x plus 3 and pasted here, is equal to, as it is, 0 as it is. Okay. F of x value is what? 2x plus 3. I have taken this here, is equal to, as it is, 0 as it is. Write out here. So 2x is here, after putting this value, we have to find out what I told you. We have to find out the variable value. What is the variable? X. X value we need to find out. Okay. So 2x is equal to plus 3 go outside, what it will become? Minus 3. Okay. Now x is equal to minus 3. This 2 go outside by 2. Because it is in multiplication terms go outside, it will come in denominator side. Here plus go outside become minus. Here multiplication 2 into x, 2 go outside, it will come here in denominator side. Okay, any doubt here? So we got x is equal to minus 3 by 2. No need to do verification. Just we have to find out x. Therefore, x is equal to minus 3 by 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. Okay. If you want to do, you can do it. Homework, that will be the homework for you. You have to put this value, same thing what we did here, same thing you can do it. Okay, for verification. So now your fourth question, f of x is equal to 2x minus 3 is given. Same thing, we have to suppose this as f of x is equal to f of x value is what, 2x minus 3. We have to copy this and paste it here. 2x minus 3 is equal to, as it is, 0 as it is. Any doubt here? What I did, f of x value is what, 2x minus 3 is equal to, as it is, 0 as it is. Okay, now we need to find the x value here. So 2x is equal to minus 3 go outside, becomes plus 3. So x is equal to 3 as it is. This 2 go outside by 2. So therefore x is equal to 3 by 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. Case, what is it given? F of x is equal to x square. F of x is equal to x square. We have to take as f of x is equal to 0. Why we are taking 0? Because to find the 0 of the polynomial, we have to take f of x is equal to 0. Now f of x value is what? X square is equal to 0. Okay? F of x value is what? X square is equal to, as it is, 0 as it is. Now x is equal to this square go outside, root 0, which means 0 only. So therefore x is equal to 0 is the 0 of the polynomial. Is it clear? Now sixth problem. In this one, f of x is equal to px is given, and also one condition is given, p is not equal to 0. P is not equal to 0 is given. So now same method we need to follow. F of x is equal to 0, we have to take, what is the f of x value? Px is equal to 0. What it is, f of x value is what? Px is equal to 0. Now x is equal to 0. This p go outside. Here it will come downside. 0 by p. 0 by p is equal to 0 only. Okay, 0 by p is what? Here the condition is given, p is not equal to 0. If we take 0 by 1, 0 only. 0 by 100, 0 only. 0 by 1000, in place of p, 1000 also 0. 0 by anything is 0. So that means x is equal to 0. So therefore x is equal to 0 is the 0 of the polynomial. Is it clear? Now in seventh case, what is it given? F of x is equal to px plus value, we need to find it here. So that means f of x is equal to 0 we have to take, then only we can find the value. Okay, so f of x value is what? Px plus q is equal to 0. F of x is what? F of x value is what? Px plus q. I have copied this, px plus q, pasted here, is equal to, as it is, 0 as it is. Now I need to find the x value. So I will put it px here only. This q go outside, minus q it will become. Then x is equal to minus q. This p go outside, becomes by p. So therefore x is equal to minus q by p is the 0 of the polynomial. Any doubt here? At fifth question now. What is the fifth question? If 2 is a 0 of the polynomial, p of x is equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 7a. Find the value of a. So here, first of all, we have to understand the question, what we need to find, what we have to do. Okay. So if we see here, if 2 is a zero of the polynomial, which means if 2 is a zero of the polynomial means the value of zero of the polynomial value is given. What is the polynomial? P of x is equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 7a. So this 2 means which value is it? The value of x. What is the definition? Zero of the polynomial is the value of x at which p of x becomes 0. That is, p of x is equal to 0. So we will solve the problem. We have the condition also. So whatever the values are given, we will write it here. Given if 2 is a zero of the polynomial means zero of the polynomial, we have to take what is the zero of the polynomial? X. X is equal to 2 is given. Okay, and one more thing is given. P of x is equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 7a is given. So this is the polynomial which is given in the question. If we see the degree is 2, so that means it is the quadratic polynomial. Okay. Now what we need to find the value of a? We have to find out the value of a. A is equal to question mark. We need to find the value of a. We need to find x. We have to find what? A, because x value is given 2. In earlier problem we have find x value, but here we are finding a value. In the question it is mentioned it is a. This is very important question, very important. Here we are having the condition if 2 is a zero of the polynomial, which means p of x is equal to 0. We have to take it as p of x is equal to 0. Zero of the polynomial means we have to take it as p of x is equal to 0. So p of x value is given. P of x value is what? 2x square. We will copy this and paste it here. We will copy this, paste it here. 2x square minus 3x plus 7a. And out here is equal to as it is 0 as it is. Okay, is it clear? What we did here? P of x is equal to 0. This condition why we are taking? Because it is a zero of the polynomial. So we have to take it as this condition. Now p of x value already given in the question. This value 2x square minus 3x plus 7a. That value we have copy this and paste it here. Is equal to as it is 0 as it is. Now and also if we see after putting this, what is the value of x? 2. So 2 into x value is what? 2 square minus 3 into x value is what? 2 plus 7a is equal to 0. Now we have to solve this. 2 into 2 square is what? 2 2s are 4 minus 3 into 2 because bracket is there, so we have to multiply it. 3 2s are 6 plus 7a is equal to 0. Now 2 into 4, 2 4s are 8 minus 6 plus 7a is equal to 0. 8 minus 6, 2. 2 plus 7a is equal to 0. 7a is equal to this 2 we have to put it outside. 2 go outside, it will become minus 2. Now a is equal to minus 2. This 7 go outside, minus 2 by 7. So what we got? Therefore a is equal to minus 2 by 7. If 0 and 1 are the zero of the polynomial, f of x is equal to 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b, then find the value of a and b. First we have to understand the question and check what we need to do. Okay, here if 0 and 1 are the zero of the polynomial, so 0 and 1 are the zeros of the polynomial, which means given what is it given here? X is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. Why I am taking x? Because here the polynomial is given in terms of x. What is the variable? F of x is equal to 2x cube minus 3. That also I will take. F of x is equal to 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b. This is the polynomial which is given. So which type of polynomial? Here the degree is 3. Maximum, see the maximum value of the degree is 3. and the variable, the power is 3. So that means this is the cubic polynomial. So what we need to find, a and b value we need to find. A is equal to question mark and b is equal to question. Both the values we need to find. We need to, so we will solve this here. If 0 and 1 are the 0 of the polynomial, which means f of x, we have to take it as, let f of x is equal to 0. We have to take it as 0. F of x is equal to 0 we need to take. Now f of x value is given here. 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b. This is given is equal to, as it is, 0. Why we are taking this condition? Because the 0 of the polynomial is given, so we have to take this condition. Okay, read out here. Now here put x is equal to 0. We will take it as x as 0. So wherever here x is there, we will take it as 0. 2 into 0 cube minus 3 into 0 square plus a into 0 plus b is equal to 0. End out here. Now 2 into 0 cube, 2 into 0 cube is what? 0, minus 3 into 0 square 0 plus a into 0 0 plus b is equal to 0. Now 2 zeros are 0, minus 3 zeros are 0 plus 0 plus b is equal to 0. Here 0 0 0 0 only, then b is equal to 0. So we got, therefore b is equal to 0. We got b as 0 value. Now here again, what value we have taken? X as 0. Now put x as 1. X is equal to 1 and b is equal to 0. What we need to find here? Only we find b value. Which value we have find? B value. We need to find a value also. So a value we need to find. Again we have to take this polynomial. F of x is equal to 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b. This polynomial we have taken from the question only. Okay. So what is the value of x? 1 and also b as 0. First of all we have to take the condition, let f of x is equal to 0. This condition we need to take. F of x value completely we have to copy this and paste it here. 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b is equal to, as it is, 0 as it is. Write it out here. Now we have to substitute all the values in this. X is equal to 1. 2 into x is what? 1 cube minus 3 into x is what? 1 square plus a value we need to find, not given. X value 1 only plus b value is what? 0 is equal to 0 as it is. And it all, what we did here, we just substitute the value of x and b in this equation, polynomial equation. This polynomial equation from where we have taken? From the question. And it out here. Is it clear? Now 2 into 1 cube is what? 1 minus 3 into 1 square is what? 1 plus a into 1 a plus 0 is equal to 0. Okay. Now 2 into 1 2 minus 3 into 1 3 plus a is equal to 0. Now 2 minus 3 minus 1 plus a is equal to what? 1. You have to use the bigger number sign, minus. What is the bigger number sign? Minus. So that's why 2 minus 3 means minus 1. Okay. So now a is equal to, this minus 1 go outside, a is equal to plus 1. So therefore we got what? Therefore a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 0. What we need to find? A and b value. So we find. Can it out here?